everyone, I'm back, Wendy here, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Narberth, Wales. Now then, what I've been doing, my first video was unpacking some of the things that I bought from Stampin' Up, and that'll be it'll be on YouTube somewhere. Now this one, what I've done with this, I've actually just taken them out of the box so that they're not rattling about and me digging and all of that. Now these look beautiful. I hope, does that glare? It does, doesn't it? Right. I'm trying to think how to do these without taking them out the packet. But this is what they call, ouch, rose glimmer. And all of these products that I've got here are on the last chance products. Ooh, look at these! Wow! Ooh, and you can rub it and the glitter's not coming off, if you know what I mean. So that's nice. So that's the red. I've also got the silver. Yeah, also got the silver and the gold. Gold glimmer paper. It'll be, like I said, in either the last chance. But please go and have a look because there are so many bargains, you would not believe it. Right. Oh, look at this. Oh, love the box. There's the one thing that Stampin' Up do very well is, well, apart from everything, the stamps and everything, the best quality I've ever seen. And I've been stamping for 40-something years. So, now this one, when do you do that for now? This one is Note of Kindness card kit. Oh, wow. Oh, look, you've got your little black, you've got your stamps. Your stamps, that's not stamp, Wendy. You've got your inks. Turn that around. Then you've got the, what are they called? Sentiments. Here we are. You've got the sentiments. And then in here, I shouldn't use those scissors really, but I am a very impatient person. All of you that know me know I am. So the secret is out. Wendy is not a patient person. But what I'll do is, if I turn it this way, Card of Kindness kit, so you've got all of this in here, stamps and envelopes, and ding, gone. Oh wow, you get a block, so you can put your stamps on there. Now blocks, I'm always running out of blocks for some reason. Little pearls, some twine, dimensionals, and these, yeah, these you can pop out, but yeah, you can pop out and you could stick dimensionals or, oh, hang on a minute. Ah, look, peel that off, pop them out, and they're sticky, so you can just stick them on there, wham bam, done. Then you get all of these envelopes, and then, what have we got here? I'm not sure what these are, but as soon as I find what they're for, I will tell you, because all of this is very new to me. And then these are the card blanks that they give you in the set, and when you get them, obviously they'll be flat. But you fold them, you see the bumpy bit there, fold into the bump, and 9 times out of 10, they line up perfectly. So that is beautiful. So that's all this, all the envelopes, the cards. They're all different. Well, there's so many of each, shall we say. Then you've got these that, these again to peel off. Come on. Yep. They're sticky. Oh, there's more envelopes. Oh, that's unusual to have envelopes in that stripy stripes. Oh, well, that's good. And you've got some more ephemera that you can stick on your cards. And then these look like they're already die cut, so you pop them out and you can either stamp the sentiments on there, or make up your own, you know, just write your own sentiments in, because that will make it more personal to you then, to the person that you're getting it for. All-inclusive kit, there we are. See, I needn't have opened it all. Stamp, block, backing, dimensionals, loop, thread, pearls, stickers, snail, bow tie bow for using the mini dots. So, you know, there's loads. Oh, what did I read there? I can't find it, but I will in a minute. Tie bow as you're using mini glue dots. Oh, I know, yeah. You make the bow and then use these mini dots. Oh, these mini dots. But we'll work our way through that sometime. What I plan to do, I'm hoping to make one project from all of these that you're seeing today. So if you want to have a, you know, see how things work and everything, hang on to watch my YouTube. Oh wow! Now this, right? This is a big one, so I'm going to do this one on its own as well. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, bye.